Luggage Storage Paris pricing explained what you get for your money. Luggage Storage Paris isn't just a place to drop your bags, you won't believe how it can transform your travel experience. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's expensive or limited to big terminals. The surprising truth is it offers affordable, convenient storage at multiple city locations, letting you explore Paris hands-free. Pricing depends on location, bag size, and duration. Standard luggage storage starts around $5.7 per day for a small bag, while larger items may cost $8.10 daily. Some providers offer hourly rates starting at $2 per hour, ideal for short stops between flights or train connections. You won't believe how flexible it is. Many locations allow online booking, instant check-in, and secure storage monitored with cameras and insurance coverage. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the daily rate. The real value comes from convenience, time saved, and peace of mind. For example, tourists can drop off their bags near a metro station, enjoy museums or cafes without dragging luggage, and pick it up easily before departure, all for less than the cost of a coffee per hour. In conclusion, Luggage Storage Paris pricing is reasonable and practical. By understanding rates, locations, and services, you go from zero to pro in evaluating the best way to store your bags safely and conveniently. It's more than storage, it's freedom to explore the city stress-free.